If you have an old or slow PC, follow these steps to run fast. So first of all, you have to press the Windows plus R and then type ms config and then press enter. Once you press enter, you can see on the screen general and then you can see the boot option. So you select the boot option is normal and then click the boot and then select the advanced option, and then now you select the number of process, you select the maximum. So I select here the number 4 and then click OK, then click apply and then click OK and then restart my PC. It will work 100%. Your PC will run fast.